isn't really a bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extreme noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bones from across the floor. Noses are nicky, wakey till day until day. Hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest, so I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
¡Uh! A huevo, güey. Ah, la verga.